Want easier access to your Mega files directly from your computer? The Mega Desktop app lets you work with cloud files, sync folders, and manage transfers without keeping everything inside your browser. In this guide, I'll walk you through the basics. So let's jump in. First, launch the Mega Desktop app from your computer. If you haven't signed in yet, enter your Mega account credentials and complete the login process. Once connected, the app will link your computer to your Mega cloud storage. After signing in, take a moment to look around the interface. You'll typically find areas for your cloud storage, transfers, sync settings, and account or application preferences. Learning where these sections are will make everything else much easier. To upload files, you can use the app's available upload controls or place files into a folder that you've configured for syncing. Depending on your setup, Mega will transfer the selected content to your cloud storage. Keep an eye on the transfer status while it's running. One of the most useful features is folder synchronization. Open the sync settings and choose a local folder on your computer, then connect it to the appropriate Mega cloud folder. Once enabled, changes made inside that synced folder can be reflected through your Mega storage. When files are uploading or syncing, check the transfers section to see what's happening. You can usually view active, completed, or interrupted transfers there. If something fails, check your internet connection, available storage, and the file or folder involved. Yeah, this is the quickest place to troubleshoot. Finally, open the app settings and review your sync, bandwidth, startup, and notification preferences. Avoid changing advanced options unless you know what they do. If you're using Mega for important files, also make sure your account security is properly configured. And that's the basic Mega Desktop app workflow. Sign in, manage your cloud files, upload content, configure sync folders, monitor transfers, and adjust your settings when needed. Once you get familiar with it, managing cloud files from your computer becomes much easier. Pretty handy, right?